Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with use of false identification and possession of drugs. Let's see here. My son was accused of using a fake ID at a DUI checkpoint, and drugs were found in his car. Okay, well, first of all, remember, DUI checkpoints are supposed to be voluntary. So it's your son who got himself into that checkpoint. When there is a DUI checkpoint, it needs to be published in advance so that you can have a reasonable escape. Now, obviously, if you're doing illegal U-turns to get away from that DUI checkpoint, that will be probable cause for them to pull you over. But if but you should be able to just make a right or a left, and and just be able to get out of it. There shouldn't be any reason. There shouldn't be any reason for them to stop you. Now, if you go into the checkpoint voluntarily, well, then anything else is good to go. So if you go into the checkpoint and then you start showing the police a fake ID and they discover that it's a fake ID, well, that's going to be a violation of Penal Code Section 148.9. It's a misdemeanor that carries up to 6 months in county jail here in the state of California. Now, obviously, if you didn't say anything about DUI here, so you weren't drunk, but if they find, let's say they arrested you, incident to arrest. They did the search, incident to arrest, because once you're arrested, they can search your car. And so you give them a fake ID, now they have the right to arrest you, they'll search your car. And if they find drugs, let's say for personal use, cocaine, heroin, meth, or whatever that is, then we're talking about a violation of Health and Safety Code 11350 here in the state of California, which is a misdemeanor also that carries up to 1 year in county jail. Now, if you're in possession of drugs for sale, then that would be a felony under 11351 of the Health and Safety Code, and that carries up to 4 years in state prison. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was tying up children while driving. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers. DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys. DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.